on the pickup. You know, DF went, you know, sensors, you know, typical problem. Ain't nothing new. Let's not act like it's nothing new either. But, hey, I guess we got that fixed, huh? Well, we're going to see what to do. You know what I'm saying? I see the truck back there somewhere. Yes, sir. I ain't seen you in a minute. I don't know what I'm on the ground for, but all right. Feeling kind of dirty. I don't remember going nowhere. And it's always important to do a little, you know, walk around, see what's going on, see if anything is out of the ordinary before you hop up in it. I did go somewhere because I'm all dirty. So somebody dropping fuel. No, it ain't I. Go ahead and hop up in this mug. See what we got here, boys. Let's see what's going on here. Somebody short was driving. Well, as y'all see, we back. Thanks to Rush, but that price was a little bit steeper than it's supposed to have been on the same part I got last year. But hey, I'm in and I'm out. A lot of people are still sitting here, so what can I say? What's going on here, boys? Back mission, baby. My window, man. I can get this old sticker from up here because I'm way past that oil change. Let's get it.